Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. How's it going today, everybody? Today, I am going to be installing these Franexy lights. This is the H9005 and H9006 bulbs. I am on a quest to upgrade the lighting in all of my vehicles before this winter comes, and so this is the third I think I've done. I did the Volvo, and then we did the Tundra, and now I am doing the Sienna. These are kind of cool. Check it out. So there are little fans in here that operate them, but they are pretty much okay. So actually, hold on. All right, let me show you something here. I pulled these out. These are some that I bought years ago, and I want to just show you how much progress we've made here. These are also 9006s, and they were so large they had to have a remote module, right? And there, so I mean, look at the heating coil on it, which was really hard to stuff into a lot of modern cars. It did have a bigger fan. Look at a module, and then it had to have a remote, and then it had to have this module, and then it finally had the plug. So technology-wise, let's see, those are 6 or 7 years old, I believe, and I've been hanging on to them. I'm not even sure why I keep them. I think I wanted to put them in another car, but I never got around to it. And when it came time to install some on this car, I was like, let's go ahead and do it the right way. Major improvements in LED technology, and they're brighter too, no doubt. All right, so I'm going to go out to the Sienna, take you with me, and let's see if we can get those fixed up. Let's do it. See that on camera. Plug it. Okay. Well, that's not good to have water in there. There we go. And you can see that bulb was actually damaged. A little bit of bowing there, so that was going to fail any minute now. Got back into place. And that's all there is to it. Not much to it. I guess what I'll do here is I'll wait for night to fall, and I will show you the lens on there, but that's a big upgrade. Yeah, let me show you that up close. There it is. You can tell this probably came into contact with a finger, some oil, something like that, so that caused that to be damaged. And the Phillips. All right, my friends, let's wait till dark.
All right, well, here we are at dark 30. Got the lows and the high beams on, and they're stupid bright, painful to stand in front of them. Let's get in the car and see what it looks like from the inside. All right, here we go. So that is park lights, and there is our low beams, and there's our brights. Nice. Well, I'll leave a link to where you can get a set of these yourself, and I'll see you next time. Take care.